I know what you guys are thinking.
Why
Guys,
did it take you so long?
where the bleep is your video vlog? It's here. Day 5.
Day 5.
This clip where we're talking about what we did that day sounds like we literally are not having fun at all and we hate ourselves, but we were very tired and we filmed it the next day. But this truly was a really, really cool day. So everything we're saying is true, but we're just very tired. So, yeah.
We went to see some ruins.
It's a national archaeological site. It's actually very cool. We're tired, which is why we don't seem enthusiastic, but we are excited about it. Yesterday was really cool. And then after that, we moved my stuff in more, and we went to the superstore and bought more stuff that I'm going to need, like bowls and shit.
Hope you enjoyed day 6. It was a great day.